Critic Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the Windy Company wiper blades. And these are really awesome wiper blades. They're single piece blades that are very flexible and very malleable, so that they make a nice seal with your windshield so that they clear off all the rain really well. And the best thing about this company is that they have blade sets for your specific vehicle. Everything is tailor-made for vehicle specific applications, so you don't have to guess about which size wiper blades you need or if they're the right fit or the right connectors on them. What they'll do is they'll come in the exact sizes that you need and with the exact clips that match the vehicle that you have, so you don't need to buy any adapters or anything like that. The other nice thing is that it has the QR code here, so you can just scan this and go to their website, and it shows all the different videos for which type of hook that you have to connect it to and how to connect it. And it's super easy to use. You pretty much just scan this, go to their site, and then on the back of the card here it says what type you have for the front windows and for the rear installation. And then you find those videos on their website on that page once you go onto the QR code, and it will show you exactly how to install your wiper blades. So you don't need to guess about what type you have. It tells you exactly the type of wiper blade installation method that you have, and it will also show you exactly how to install them. So it's super easy, and it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. So you basically just select your year, your model, your trim, and then you'll select whether you want a 3-piece kit for the rear windshield if your car has a rear wiper, or a 2-piece just for the front. I got the 3-piece here from my Subaru Impreza, and it comes with all the blades I need, and they're super easy to install. If you're looking to purchase them, check out a link down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know those as well. But yeah, it's just super easy to get your blades sent to you, the right size, the right connections. You don't need to mess around with figuring out which connectors you need or any of that stuff like that, because it can be really confusing to figure out which wiper sizes or blades you need. Even when I went online and searched for my wiper blades, depending on the model, it comes up with a whole bunch of different answers. Because my car has 2 different size wipers. It has a 26 and a 16. And then again, if you don't want to have to look that up and buy universal fit blades, you can just go on there, put your stuff in, and get the right blade sent to you. And when I install, I pull this locking tab out, slide it into this gap right here, pull it on, and then put my locking tab in, and I'm good to go. Real simple to install. I'm really impressed with these wipers. They clear the windshield really well, and there's some really nice single piece all-weather wipers. So yeah, really impressed with them. I hadn't heard of them before, but yeah, they do a really good job, and they make a nice suction to the windshield so that it clears the water really well.